So we're here at St. John Island, and we have a sleeping bag and an inflatable bed. And the last round we weren't sleeping very comfortably, so this round, a bit of comfort, man. Yeah, I'm going surfing, man. So, out of nowhere, I found this slab. Yeah, this slab. What is it for? This slab is for cooking. We're gonna cook some shit on this slab. Slab. Alright, so over here we have a foil pack, and in it we have Cajun marinated chicken with pumpkins, potatoes, carrots, some apple in there as well. So I marinated it with a bit of Cajun spice, paprika, salt, pepper. Yeah, it's gonna be a very simple meal. That's gonna be for our lunch. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna share it.
It's gonna good rub, boy. Yeah, boy.
Cajun chicken.
I'm gonna cook some what is it? Spicy pork chorizo. Boy.
Oh man, this is nice. Delicious. So we brought a few medical ice packs that I brought along. This just in case we have any injury. But in this case, we're gonna use it to chill our beer. So look at the instructions. Squeeze here and shake well. So I'm gonna do that. So I shake it. Oh, and it becomes very cold, man. Wow, it's an instant ice pack. Oh, this is damn good. Alright, time to chill the beer. We're gonna chill the beer with the ice pack.
And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, break a stick or two for me. Get stoned by the stories that are told.
Alright, here I bought a portable condiment bag. Okay, so here's what we got. We got coarse black pepper, we got caster sugar, we got olive oil, we got salt, we got some cinnamon powder, and we got some Worcester sauce, man. So today for dinner we're gonna make a pumpkin broccoli potato mash. We're gonna fry some sausages up. We're gonna have some bangers and mixed mash, man. Yeah. And then I'm gonna chop up some onions with Worcester sauce and a bit of butter to make a gravy for it. It'll be nice.
Looking back, let it unfold. Question all that's told. Put your head upon my shoulder. One day we'll be older.
Some of my coarse pepper, Subway style. We're gonna add some Worcester sauce, some call it Worcestershire sauce.
And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, break a stick or two for me and get stoned by the stories that are told. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, break a stick or two for me and get stoned by the stories that are told.
great when we fry it. Low flame.
Almost there.
I miss McDonald's.